What is going on, everybody? By a popular demand, I'm going over Tesla stock. I'm gonna read financial statements and I'm gonna find the exact fair value of Tesla stock according to the Intelligent Investor book. I'm gonna put all those numbers in an Excel and I'm gonna find exact number, not hype, not FUD, not all that nonsense. Based on numbers, we're gonna see where Tesla should be traded. Is it over or undervalued as of today? I'm gonna go over all this stuff, and if you like what you see, my name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. If you like that, subscribe to my channel. With that being said, let's get started with Tesla stock. So Tesla, after all the craze in the last 6 months, went from about $900 to 600 plus, 626 as of today. Market cap 600 billion. There's no point of telling you all of this. Everyone already know everything about Tesla. 52-week range before the split was adjusted to split 160 to 900. 1 year target according to Yahoo is 60. We're gonna find the fair value according to the Intelligent Investor book. Let's see what we need in order to put numbers in the Excel. What we need in this page, basically nothing. Why say nothing? If you know me, I use this number, earnings per share trailing 12 months. It's too low. The number 1 is too low, so I'm gonna take another earnings per share from the analysis tab. I'm gonna show you exactly where I'm getting this number and what am I doing with that. So I'm in the analysis tab right here, and the earnings per share, I'm taking this one instead of the one that is, to my opinion, it's too low. In the summary page, I'm going here, current year 2021. I don't want to go a year ago. I don't want to go a year ahead. I'm sticking to current year 2021. We got 29 analysts covering Tesla, which 9 more than a year ago. And the average estimate earning per share is $4.54. Low estimate is $3. High estimate is $6. A year ago it was $2.24. That's why the number 1, I don't know why Yahoo didn't update that, or it's based on the quarter 106, all that stuff. So I'm looking at the big picture. I'm not taking the highest or the lowest. I'm taking the average. I'm gonna put this number 454 in my Excel, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. So that's the first number that I need to find the fair value. And if I scroll all the way down, right here, I'm gonna find my second number that I need in the Excel, which is this one. You go to growth estimate, next 5 years growth per annual. It's pretty good, 44.5%, 44.51. Next year, 37% growth. They doubled the current year, 100%. Everyone loves Tesla. Don't get me wrong. I'm not a Tesla hater. I want to get a red Tesla. If you follow me, I would love to get a red Tesla, which is now cost, I don't know what, almost two Bitcoin. The latest model, about 70,000 give or take. But I'll take a used one for 1 Bitcoin. Feel free to comment below and I'll send you my Bitcoin address. Seriously, just kidding. Either way, next 5 years growth, if you know me, I love this number to be over 20%. Caddy would love this number to be over 15%. And Tesla has 44%. So when everyone hates on Elon Musk and Tesla, and that's what's going on this month with Doge and Bitcoin and all that stuff, now Tesla is not 900, now Tesla is 600. But no one is buying Tesla because everybody bought Tesla cores at 900. And when no one buys anything and everyone hates on Elon, maybe it's a good time to buy. Keep that in mind. Let's put those two numbers in the Excel and see what we got. So this is the Excel, guys. I have made this one. I called it How to Value a Stock Like Warren Buffett. Basically, you can read the book, The Intelligent Investor, 600 pages, or you can grab a copy of this Excel in the description below and find the fair value of each and every stock that you love. What do you need? Name of the company, Tesla, earning per share. I showed you where to find it. Usually it's in the Yahoo summary page, but I looked at the analyst because it's too low. The Yahoo summary page, I don't think they update. Yellow, you don't touch. Growth, showed you where to find this one as well, 44%. Yellow, you don't touch. And we need to find the AAA bond yield of Tesla. and we will do that in a couple of minutes from here. Stock price, you put basically everything in the blue you put, everything in the yellow you don't touch. And once I found the AAA bond yield of Tesla, I'm gonna find the exact fair value as well as the price that ideally I would be a buyer, which is 33% discount from the fair value if we ever gonna get there. So before we find the AAA bond yield of Tesla, let's go over some numbers and see what Tesla is doing reading financials, so you don't have to. Good time to ask for your subscription if you haven't done so already. Let's keep going. So I'm in the financial tab, guys. Income statement right here. Let's see what we got. The year 2018, I'm just gonna go 3 years in a row, and I just want this to grow. First of all, I want to see total revenue growing. So it went from 21 million, 24 million, that's extra 15% growth. 31 million, that's 20% growth, and year over year, May till May, okay? But first of all, in the end of 2020, they still grew by 20% compared to 15% a year ago. 20% is much better, and we all know what happened in 2020. So that's very impressive for me, for Tesla. And the last year, from May till May, we are up from 31 to 35. So that's about 11-12% growth so far this year. It's good, good. People buy Tesla cars. That doesn't matter. The price went from 900 to 600. The product itself is what makes the company. People love Tesla. I know all about the short, the big short of the guy with 40% short Tesla. All that stuff is, everything is noise. Yeah, that's big noise, but it's still noise at the end of the day. Let's see what we got. The numbers, the only thing that matter are the numbers. So let's see gross profit. Again, 2018, 4 million stayed the same. And then 2020, the big jump went from 4 million to 6.6. That's like 60% growth in gross profit. And already a year later, 7.6. They're growing exponentially. I would not short Tesla like the famous big short guy, but that's just me. I will also not buy Tesla at 900 just because the rest of the retail trader bought Tesla at 900. I will check the financial statement. Wanna check this one, the net income? Check this out, guys. Net income, diluted net income, that's what mattered the most. They went from negative 800,000, which is, you multiply that by all numbers are in thousand. So basically negative 800, it's basically negative 80 million, something like that. Okay? Not 80 million, 800 million. And then it went plus 700, which is freaking insane. That's, how much is that if you go from negative 800 to positive 700? So you go about 3 times more. 300% growth in the net income. And year over year, May till May, they already broke $1 billion profit. If it was me, I'm going long Tesla. People don't buy now. I don't understand how people think. People think let's buy Tesla at 900 because everyone talks about Tesla. Tesla at 600, I don't want to touch that. It's a scam. I lost all my money at 900. I'm amazed how a retail trader thinks. You should do the exact opposite of what you already have done. Look at this growth from negative 900, positive 700, positive over $1 billion. Freaking crazy. Let's move on. Next, I'm in the balance sheet. I want to see, first of all, total assets growing. And it does. Look at this number, guys. Look at this number. You go from 2018 again. 29 million, 34 million, that's a growth of about 15%. At the end of 2020, 52 million. So jump from 34 to 52. That's like 53% gross jump profit in the total assets. Pretty crazy good stuff. Extra 50%. I want to see that they didn't take too much loans. So you go to long-term total liabilities. Not current, total non-current, that's what I care about, and I'm looking for long-term debt right here. This one has, let's see what we got, long-term debt plus capital lease, and so altogether $10.8 billion compared to 12.6, okay? So they went down, their long-term debt went down If you go a little back, go a little down, 2018, 11 million loan, 12.6 million loan, not a big deal. They added like 1.5 and then it's down. It's down in 2020. They don't need so much money because the net income that we saw is growing. People are buying Tesla cars. They're making money from all their other, I call it side hustle projects. They're making money from that. If you bought Tesla at 900 and then you sold at 600 and you call the stock market a scam, it is your fault. You should read financials, not FOMO in, other financial advice. But when no one is buying Tesla at 600, maybe it's a good time to get in. Long term, stop YOLOing your life savings on Tesla calls. This isn't retail trader craze like we saw 6 months ago. It's not happening now. Buy valuable stocks that you believe in long term, preferably at a fair value price instead of retail crazy price. Let's move on to the cash flow, but this is very good number. Assets are growing, long-term debt is falling. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Let's keep going. Cash. In the cash flow, look at this, guys. Just look at this number. Why I love Tesla at 600 a lot more. This is 2020, okay? Issue of capital stock, okay? They diluted their shareholder. That's not good. Another 12 million shares. Of course, I would sell Tesla shares at 900 as well to get more money into the market because 900 was way too much, at least at this in our point in time. But look what they've done. Look what they've done. They issue a debt. They took $9 million and they paid back 12. That's why we saw the long-term debt going down. This is part of this equation. They took 9.7 million. They paid back 12.2 million loans. So they got reduced about 3 million long-term total debt. Out of this, 1.5 million was long-term debt. They're going in a great direction. And I assume that when Tesla will be above 900 or close to 1,000, CNBC will start pumping it again and retail trader will get into Tesla close to $1,000 instead of close to $600. Why? Because no one is talking about Tesla now. And this is the exact time to buy, in my opinion. Now the financial advice, free cash flow went from 968 to 2.7, 3 times more free cash flow. You gotta look at all this stuff. Let's keep going. I'm getting very bullish on Tesla, but I want to find a fair value price to get in. But so far, the numbers as a whole looks very healthy as of 2021. If you saw 2-3 years ago, the number was negative here, negative to the worst in here, 4 billion negative cash flow. But this was when? 2017. So the ideal time to buy Tesla is about 2019. Before all this crazy run, of course. The best time to buy was like, I don't know, 2012. It is healthy. This is a healthy company. They're going places. You know what? I feel sorry for the guy that shorted Tesla. They made a lot of noise. I don't believe Tesla is going down. I don't. I just need to find the fair value. And if he will bring Tesla down, I don't know, another 20-30%, maybe below 500, that will be even ideal time to buy. I don't know. It's not going to bring Tesla to zero. So just stop listening to all the noise. Numbers are your best friends. Read financials and click the subscribe if you like so far. Let's keep going. So in order to find the fair value of Tesla stock, you just Google Tesla corporate bond and you look for a number that looks like solid, like average, not too high and not too low. Stick to the high number but not the highest. So we got Tesla 5.3%. That's option number 1. 5.3, that's the same. I might use this one. Let's see if we got anything else. 5.3 in here, 5.3, so it's all 5.3. That's the junk territory, almost. That's what it says. Tesla bonds are almost out of junk territory. So I assume this horrible number, 5.3% that they're paying to take a long-term debt, and we saw that they're paying off their long-term debt. Probably in a year or two, this 5.3, it's enough that it goes down even 1% to 4.3, and it clears so much money that interest is not being paid off, which is super bullish to this company. But until then, for sake of this example, I'm gonna put 5.3 to stay on the conservative side. But again, look at this article. Tesla bonds are still junk, but the ratings are getting better. So they're paying so much money in interest to borrow. But as we saw in all those numbers, net income is positive, long-term debt is going down. This is a good, super bullish sign long term, and people don't take advantage of this crazy dip from 900 to 600 because now they think this guy bought some puts and then Tesla is going to zero. It's not gonna happen. Let's keep going. So I'm back in the Excel, guys, and I put the AAA bond yield 5.3, price today 625, 626, and basically once I click enter, I'm gonna find two numbers. Number one, fair value of Tesla stock, and the price that ideally I would be a buyer, which is 33% down from the fair value. But Tesla, you always pay the premium for Tesla. So if I found the fair value and it's around this price, I will be a happy buyer long term. Those numbers are very super solid. I like what I see so far. So with that being said, Tesla fair value is holy moly, 367. Okay, interesting. So we got some room to go down, but 367, that's surprising. How much is it from here at 626? Almost 50% drop. So if this guy that did some Tesla shorts, maybe he will do us a favor and take us 50% down. I'll be happy to buy Tesla at around $400 or something like that. I might start a position at, I don't know, 500, 450, 400 and start averaging down. I'm not buying at 600. You saw that this bond, the 5.3% bond yield, right? This one, it will go down. So let's say next year I will do an update and the numbers, the finance numbers will get better, and this will be 4.3. Then Tesla should be fair valued at around, I don't know, 500 or so. It's still overvalued at 626. So it was super overvalued at 900 when retail traders bought some YOLO $1,000 calls for next year, next month, whatever the case. Numbers don't lie, people do. If you guys want to grab a copy of this Excel, there's a link in the description of this video. And if you like what you see so far, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you won't miss all that good stuff. My name is Ziv, known as Finance After 40, and I read financials, so you don't have to appreciate what you see here and give it a thumbs up, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Yeah.